Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can send an alert to the enrolment holder either via parent portal notification or an SMS when a child has not, one, been either signed in after a specific amount of time set, or when a child is marked absent. To enable this feature, you're going to click on your settings menu and under the admin tab, scroll down to bookings. You will then see a setting, alert enrolment guardian when a child has not arrived for a current day. So you have a multiple list of options. So you can select if the child is marked absent. So you have the options of SMS only, SMS and a parent portal notification, or just a parent portal notification only. So if the guardian is using the Kidsoft app and has the push notifications on, they will receive that notification as a push notification. And you can also have that option of the SMS. When selecting the option to mark absent, once the child has been marked absent using the reason other, the notification will be sent to the enrolment holder. If you select the option when the child is not signed in, so you do have the same options, the SMS only, the SMS and parent portal notification, or just the parent portal notification, you will see an additional setting, which is to set the time frame in an X amount of minutes. So this means that if the child's not signed in 10 minutes after the room is opened, the alert will be sent to the guardian for the enrolment holder only. You also have the option to override this global setting on the room. So by clicking on your rooms and booking types and on your rooms tab, when you click on the room, you will have this option to add in the additional time frame. So for example, if you do have an OSH or a long daycare with your before and after school care, and those timeframes may differ depending on, school pickup or school drop off, for example. In this example, you may want to go, well, it's 30 minutes after the room opens because, you need to go and pick the children up from the school. They're on the bus, they come back to the service, and then you need to sign the child into the room. So this setting will then default for that specific room and will then override that global setting. So the standard SMS charges will apply when sending out those SMS notifications, and this is set at 20 cents for 160 characters. There is a system template that you can go and modify by clicking on your templates and selecting SMS and scrolling down to the child not signed in notification, and this is where you can update your template. And just to remind you, this is for the enrolment holder guardian only, which means the notification will only go to the enrolment holder, so the account holder, so it will not go to any of the emergency contacts. For any further information on this feature, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials for more assistance on Kidsoft. Thank you.